Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. In this video we will learn that how you will create your Windows 11 restore point. It is very important if you have installed many software or you customize your PC setting or laptop, then you must create your restore point, because if there is any glitch or any window problem or a system or antivirus issue, then you can restore from here. So you will click on restore, and from here you will see just enable turn on system protection, and you will select the desired disk like window partition C, and then you will configure with your latest name as you want. So here I will give a specific name. So if I need to restore, I will just select from the list. So I will create using my latest restore point. So if you click on restore, it will be start of creation restore point. It will take some time depending on your setting and system storage, so it is created. Now as you see, we have created a restore point, and then if you need to restore this point, like if you have uninstalled something or you want to reverse back your system, so you will just click and then select your restore point, and from here you will get your old or your previous setting. So it is very important for every system user that create his restore points of is there is accidentally something deleted or changed, you can restore from here. 5 button. Thanks for watching.